Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to talk about screen recording. By the way, forget about my hat because I didn't comb my hair. So if you are recording your screen with the help of built-in Quick Player in macOS, then you cannot share your webcam there, right? I'm sharing my webcam right there. So there is easy and quick way to share your webcam as well. So this video is all about sharing your webcam and recording your screen on macOS. To record your screen on macOS, you need to press three buttons, Windows, Shift, and 5, and it will bring you to this screen. And here you can choose the entire window or the portion of window, and here you can select these options are available, and you can just hover over with your mouse and you can see that these are options to take a screenshot or to just capture selected window. If I choose the selected window, I can choose, and if I just press Command Shift and 5 button again, you will see that this one is here, selected portion, and here is the screen recording. And in the meantime, you can go to the options setting. Here you can choose where you want to save your file on your desktop and how long you want to record your video. That's pretty much about the Quick Player screen recording, but here is a real quick tool that you will learn in this video. So you can also choose the external or internal microphone here and save that setting. Right now I'm gonna choose this one. Just escape this one. Now just open your Quick Player. Now instead of going to the screen recording directly, go to File and now go to New Movie Recording. And in this way, it will open my webcam here. As you can see, my webcam is already here, so I can choose the devices I'm connected to my Mac. And here is my external Logitech webcam, and I can use my internal webcam as well. Just make it smaller. If I hover over my mouse, it will just, that's kind of irritating, but yeah, that's the free stuff. And you can move this one here. Now, your webcam is here. Now you need to go to View, and here you need to select Float on Top. In this way, this video will float on top of any window. Let's say I open my Safari browser. That's my YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe, you do it. I minimize this one, and now the new window is here, and the other floating window is also there as my webcam. I can choose these options here, then record button. Once I press record button, you will see that this little tiny icon is there at the top, and I can stop and start recording here. So once I just record, and I can bring this window here, and now I can open my Safari, and this window is here. Now I just bring my mouse cursor here, then that will show the recording button there. I can bring this one here as well, like in this corner you can see, and I can also place it anywhere I like. Let's say it's there. So this is how you can record your camera as well. If I want to make it bigger, like this one, I can grab this one to the big screen up to the entire screen here. That's how you can do. Forget about the stuff here. I'm not a messy person, but yeah, the stuff is still there. So yeah. So once you're done, just stop this recording, and now I have placed this one on my desktop. Here is the screen recording. It's already syncing. If I play, so that's it. You can record your screen with the help of webcam in Quick Player. If you like this video, then thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.